Thor isn't just a superhero, he's a god. With his enchanted hammer, Mjolnir, he commands thunder and lightning like no other. Did you know? In Norse mythology, Thor is the protector of both gods and humans, always ready to battle giants and monsters. Mjolnir isn't just a weapon, it's a symbol of worthiness. Only those truly deserving can lift it, proving that power must come with honor. Thor's greatest battles weren't just against villains like Loki or Hela, but against his own pride. His journey is all about growth and redemption. Chris Hemsworth almost lost the role of Thor. He had to audition twice before landing the iconic part that made him a global superstar. Thor and Loki may be rivals, but deep down, they are brothers who share a complicated, emotional bond. Love and betrayal. What a mix. From arrogant prince to humble warrior, Thor's story teaches us that true strength comes from character, not just muscles. In Thor, Ragnarok, we saw a whole new Thor, more comedic, more self-aware, and more powerful than ever. Best glow up in the MCU. Thor's Stormbreaker isn't just an axe, it was forged from a dying star, making it one of the most powerful weapons in the universe. Even gods struggle with loss. After Infinity War, Thor faced depression, showing that even the strongest heroes have their breaking points. Thor's love story with Jane Foster proves that even a god can have a soft spot. And in Love and Thunder, she becomes Mighty Thor. Thor's cape, armor, and helmet are inspired by ancient Norse warriors, blending mythology with modern superhero style. Did you know Thor originally had red hair in Norse mythology? Marvel gave him the golden locks we now know and love. Thor may be a warrior, but he's also a protector. He fights for Asgard, Earth, and all the realms, a true guardian of the cosmos. With a hammer in hand and thunder in his veins, Thor reminds us that being strong isn't about power, it's about heart. Follow me, guys, for more beautiful videos like this. Thank you.